I find the conference, after being here several years in a row, continuing to meet our expected standards for this. You're calling it the next generation optical networking, and I think you're living up to that particular promise, because the conference is dealing with the issues that are current and important to us today, but at the same time putting on the table the direction where the industry is going into the future. And this is what we want to hear, this is what our customers want to hear, and all the interactions around that, both on the conference floor and around the booths, support that. Certainly, data centers is a very important topic, as data centers are gathering more and more of the end customer traffic and more of the network traffic between data centers, and how we're dealing with that. It's very interesting to see, as people, even on the conventional telecommunications side, as they're building use cases for their various solutions, are more and more referring to data centers now as part of those use cases. We also see a whole number of vendors, including ECI, that are really focused now, or coming up with particular solutions for the cloud networking and data center interconnection type of applications. So that certainly is a very important topic. Another one is the topic of OTN switching. The OTN as a transport technology has been around for many years. One of the very interesting debates, and we see many sides of that over here, is how OTN switching is being compared towards packet switching. At ECI, we support both those particular solutions. And actually, we're very proud at this conference. You don't see it on the booth over here, but certainly in our private booth, we have our large-scale OTN switches that we've just introduced with up to 16 terabits of capacity that support both packet and OTN switching within the same chassis. So those are really the two topics that we see. As I mentioned before, cloud networking and data center interconnection is a really important topic. It's getting more and more of attention. One of the benefits of cloud networking is that it makes our life easier on the enterprise side. We don't have to invest in capital infrastructure. We don't have to invest in a lot of software applications as we move our applications to the cloud and use these on a hosted basis. On the other hand, there's a dark side to that. The dark side is that as we distribute our applications into the cloud, we start to lose control. And as we start to lose control, it makes it much easier, let's say, for the bad guys to intercept our data, maybe to infiltrate our systems. So one of the areas that has really not been talked about so much, and certainly this is an area where ECI is bringing solutions to the table, is about how do we introduce layers of security that as we go towards cloud networking infrastructures, we can also have assurance that our data and our systems will be safe. So I'm going to be talking more about what are some of the solutions that we can bring to the table for securing the cloud. So we introduced a new brand 2 weeks ago. This is only the second conference in the world where it's making its debut, so to speak. The other one was in North America. This is our first European introduction of our new brand. ECI has been undergoing somewhat of a transformation for the last number of years as the company is picking itself up and really going through a reinvigoration process. As part of that, there was the financial side, the product side, and right now it's going much more towards the market-facing side and making sure that we get our messages out to the marketplace. And a large part of that is putting a new brand on the company. We've looked at what our customers are looking for, we've looked at what our capabilities are as a company, and we decided on the brand The Elastic Network, which really reflects our core skill sets as well as what a lot of our customers are seeking. Our customers make substantial investments in transport networks. They expect these investments to live. They expect them to be there perhaps even a decade without having to ship boxes in and out. And what the Elastic Network is doing is providing their assurances to our customers that we can provide solutions that meet their needs today and at the same time are very flexible and evolvable to meet their needs into the future so that they can be very assured about their investments. In terms of the Elastic Network, it's also getting beyond just being a box company and a transport company. For sure, we still have our base transport products on the optical side and on the packet side, but moving up beyond that, it also includes a control layer, an application layer, and a security layer, all working together through open interfaces to provide and customize the solutions that our customers are looking for.